Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I got to play a 2006 Paul Reed Smith Hollow Body 2 through a JCM 900 half stack. And we got to check out this awesome pedal by SubDecay called the Vocawah. Now this pedal is super crazy. They modeled it after the human voice is what they were looking to do. It has a couple little features on it. So there's a manual knob, a depth knob, and there's this little band versus low pass filter. Now I'm going to explain everything before I play just so that you guys get a chance to understand what's happening. The manual knob sets the opening or the frequency of each filter. The depth is what is adjusting the sensitivity of that modulation that's in the filter. And then the switch itself does two different things. When you're set on to low pass, what it does is it retains a lot of the low frequency, right? So it's better for bass. I really like it for playing chords. I find it really interesting with chords. And then band pass has much more of just the high end. So it's a little bit better for single note playing, and it's especially good if you're using an overdriven guitar. The whole thing is built with parallel resonant filters that are inspired by the human voice. So they really spent a lot of time on this pedal, and it's an awesome addition to their lineup. They have a lot of cool stuff. So let's check it out.
Where are you going? What?
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, give us a like, head over to GuitarChimp.com, check out all the cool pedals and amazing guitars we have, And, you know, come around, maybe hang out sometime. We miss you. We feel like we never see you anymore, so cheers.